Welcome to the IrisVision lifestyle. I just wanted to do this short little clip to let you know how the IrisVision lifestyle has saved my life. Without this little device, I wouldn't be able to do 90% of the things that I do today. Reading prescription bottles, reading labels at the supermarket, reading letters, reading the addresses on letters, reading books, cooking, sewing, so much more. Macular degeneration would have robbed me of my life, but IrisVision Live has given me my life back. If you have a loved one with a vision issue, a low vision issue, you're cheating them if you don't show them this and let them find out if it works for them. It is a lifestyle. You have to get used to it. But once you do, you soar like an eagle, just like you had 20/20 vision again. It's a miracle. IrisVision and the IrisVision lifestyle. Do it. You'll love it.